YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. Shout out to all those who are subscribed to my channel, all those who are viewing my videos. I appreciate it. Guys, I do see some returning viewers. The thing lets me know. But y'all not subscribing. What's up? Y'all not feeling it? Man, listen, it's free. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you fuck with my videos. Definitely if you mess with my technical analysis, if you see that I'm actually kind of on point with this, you know what I'm saying? We're going to get into the Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Volt Inu technical analysis, y'all. We've had some moves made. Kind of want to say I was right, you know what I'm saying? Especially about Bitcoin, you know what I'm saying? That felt good to kind of be right about that, right? So, guys, if you want more content like this, man, please smash that like button. That's all I ask, okay? Road to 500 subscribers. We're doing a giveaway once we reach that number. $200 giveaway, $100 to 2 people, okay? So don't miss out on that free money. What's up? Grab you some free money and hit that subscribe button. And put your post notifications set on all so you're aware every time I post a new video. You don't want to miss out on these updates, man. Especially with the technical analysis that I be doing, right? I'm not always accurate to the T, but I'm damn near close. So, without further ado, let's get to it.
Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags. Back up the...
All right, y'all. So I hope everyone is having a good weekend thus far. If you're on the other side of the world, like Asia or Tokyo, right? Damn near it's gonna be Monday, right? Soon. So, guys, I hope everybody enjoyed themselves. I hope everybody's doing all right. Just want to throw that out there. All right. Volt is sitting at 602726. Okay. This is the daily time frame, right? So, guys, you know, we've made some movements. You know what I'm saying? Lastly, guys, I kept saying we needed a closure above this box to kind of see that buying pressure is still there. It wasn't there. Selling pressure was in more. A lot of more sellers. Price came down. Okay, it looked like for a moment we was gonna reject 2,800, but price could not do it. All right, price held below 2,805, around 2,800, round psychological number. The market likes to move around psychological numbers, right? Especially around here, that was around 3,000 round psychological number. Okay, so it works in zones, it works in set numbers. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, price pushed down, and currently it's coming up for the retest of 2,800. Guys, we need a close above 2,805 to see buying pressure, right? Because what it's currently doing, y'all, all right, is creating a downtrend momentum. Okay, so if you see here, okay, we are creating lower highs and lower lows. Okay, currently creating that lower high, right? Since it is the daily time frame, okay, we need this candle to finish forming to see if we're gonna make the next leg of a lower high, or is it gonna close above? Hopefully it closes above, right? And the only reason I say that there might be a chance, there might be, and I could be wrong, because guys, like I said, I really felt videos ago when we were right around here, I said I felt like price had to come back down and correct this move. It took some time. For those of you who are new, this is why I'm repeating it. I know for those of you who are returning viewers, you already know this, right? Y'all are on point. Y'all know what's up. Y'all know what I'm about to say probably. But guys, I really felt and still feel that, especially on the daily, we have a gap right here. Okay, so I do feel that we need to push down a little bit more, and I've mentioned this in a previous video that not sure if we're gonna reach all the way back down to the a major key level, which is 2145, right? We're where support was held for weeks on end. Okay, don't know how far it's going to get there, but I'm thinking if price can't shoot back up into this zone here, okay, where it was ranging, consolidation, all that, right? If price could not, right, and everyone who watches my videos knows I like to give the best case and worst case scenarios, right? But worst case scenario is that we probably come down, fill this gap up, okay? Gaps are, how can I say? Gaps are like orders, right, that need to get filled. Candles need to touch each other. So if you notice how this wick, right, got filled by this candle, okay? This candle right here, this green one, filled the rest of this wick. These candles, right, this candle right here filled the rest of this wick. So that's why when I say I believe price had to come back and correct this move, it's because this is on the, and technically on the weekly, it's still, you know what I'm saying, it had to come down some, right? You had a gap right around this level. Now, with the way Bitcoin is moving and Ethereum is moving, right? And this is a major rejection zone on the higher time frame. Guys, this is why I love higher time frames, right? We could possibly be creating that that higher low that we need for the next leg up on the higher time frame, right? Now we do need a little bit more confirmation, right? A little more wick rejection like this. When you get long wicks like this, these, I say wicks, maybe many people don't know that term. This is a wick, okay? A tail is what it's called of the candle. This is the body of the candle, right? And the body is the volume for that candle, meaning how many sellers, if it's red, how many buyers, the bulls and the bears fighting, and the buyers tried to push it up, but the sellers were strong enough that it pushed it back down. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. So we need the buyers. Hopefully there's buyers at this level where price would reject this zone, because if you notice, it rejected. This is a weekly time frame, right? How many times did it reject in this level? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 wicks that we see, but it was in this range, okay? That bright price could not break. It kept closing below this level here, okay? So we need price to reject around here to give us that confirmation that price is going to continue pushing up on the higher time frames. And that's where we drop down to the daily. Now we need this next candle that's here now, this red candle, to kind of do what this candle did right here. Give us this wick right here, right? Kind of come down, reject, and then close above. We need a close above 2805, y'all. We need a close above to give us that confirmation that we're going to continue pushing up, okay? We don't get that confirmation, we don't get a close above here, or we consolidate right around this area, more than likely we're probably going to push down. Price is trying to retest this zone. On the weekends, guys, there's really not much volume except for today. You'll see Bitcoin reached 40,000, damn near right. I'm gonna show y'all, man. I'm excited about this shit. Listen, we are getting so close to 2024. The bull run is very close, y'all, in my opinion, right? I believe that the bull run, the full-on bull run, will be happening very soon, man. We're seeing Bitcoin surely, move up little by little. So those are all good signs, guys, okay? Now, Volt moves with Ethereum. It's racked, right? Ethereum is moving as well, guys. But Volt has to finish doing what it's doing, right? And it could possibly be running on its own, like I said, to come and correct this move. Or if it holds this level right here, and we start pushing back up, we're I want to say, not financial advice, strictly for educational purposes only, but I want to say that I think we're golden to move back up. Okay? Now, we have this gap right here, though, that worries me, that I feel that we need to come fill. Okay? And I'm lining it up. Okay? So, between these two red lines, okay, we kind of still, I feel, might have to come back down, touch this, and then move up maybe. Could be wrong. I'm giving you scenarios, different scenarios of what could happen, right? So I'm going to Google real quick, gap in the market. What is a gap in the market? A gap in the market is an area that business don't currently serve, but that there is customer demand for. This could be a new and unique, hold on. Gaps in the stock market. Okay. Stock gap is an area of discontinuity in a securities chart where its price either rises or falls from the previous day's close with no trading occurring in between. Gaps are common when news causes market fundamentals to change during hours when markets are typically closed, for instance, and earnings call after hours. Okay. There's, different opportunity, different versions to say this, but pretty much, guys, when there's a gap in a candle, see every candle damn near gets filled, gets touched. Okay, it comes back and it touches it and it fills it. Like there's an area right here that needs to get filled. Okay, so that's why I do. If price does not hold, I can see price coming down into this zone here, and then possibly pushing back up. We will see once we get a daily close today. If this candle still closes bearish, okay, then more than likely we're going to continue pushing down, right? Because it is creating a downtrend momentum, okay, like I'm showing you guys right here. Okay, now we need that close above. We get that close above. As soon as we get a close above, we will push up. Now, speaking of closures above, right? Bitcoin, like I said, guys, we needed a close above all these rejections right here. And what did we get? This is the daily time frame. We got that close above, y'all. We got that close above. And what did Bitcoin do? Keep pushing up. Once, like I said, when something consolidates and it breaks out of that consolidation, whichever direction it breaks out of and closes above out of, it's going to push. It's going to go up, right? And I really felt that we were going to tap at least 40,000. Why? Because this is a level where price has rejected before, okay? Rejection, it tapped here, pushed up. Came down close, tapped. You know what I'm saying? See how these wicks here kept rejecting. We possibly could continue pushing up to 45,000, or is it 46,000, right? But let's not get ahead of ourselves, y'all. Let's see what price does right around this area of 40,000. Okay, it's never gonna be to the T, all right? But it damn near tapped 40,000, right? It tapped 39,800 and 39,911, all right? Damn near 40 grand, y'all. Okay, damn near 40 grand. So if we look on the daily, okay, the reason I say that is that we could possibly reject is because there was a lot of selling pressure right here, right? So I said that I felt like Bitcoin still had to go up to about 40,000 before it rejected and pulled back down, okay? It corrected this move right here, as y'all can see. It has corrected this move right here, okay? And now it is currently up in this consolidation range, okay? Where once support was held, price broke through, could not hold, and became resistance, okay? Cannot break back above 40,000. So price is around this area. So we need to see what price does right around here, okay? So it's currently in this whole mess right here. All this noise that you see, all right? So price could possibly reject 40 grand and come back down, right? Come back down, possibly come back and retest where it broke out of, If support holds this major resistance level and turn into support, then yeah, we could possibly see something like this. Okay, maybe some consolidation for a little while, because price did break out, and if it can't break above 40,000 and hold, then more than likely price is going to reject back down. Now, well, also, if price doesn't hold support here at 37,894, where price broke out of, and it breaks below this this trend line that I have right here, right, this blue one, then we can see price coming back down to 33,000. I've said this before, right? I've said that I feel that Bitcoin's gonna go up to 40,000 and probably more than likely reject around that level, because there was a lot of selling pressure around this level, and then come back down and retest 33,000 if it cannot break and hold above 40 grand, right? So we got to see, we got to keep an eye on that. But guys, I just want to show y'all that, and this is not about boosting myself or anything like that, guys. I just want y'all to know that I am trying to give y'all the realness, whether it's good or bad. If I feel like I give a pretty accurate technical analysis. Like I said, I base it off the daily and the weekly, right? So it takes time to play out fully. But if you're, and I also like to teach. If you're learning, if you're watching my videos, I'm hoping you're learning. Like I said we needed to close above this level here, right? For price to continue pushing up to 40,000, and we got that, right? So just, if you're doubting, hey, listen, man, just watch my videos and you will see, okay? Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum got that close above 2131, all right? My last video, I said we were probably coming back up to retest 2,131, depending what we saw there, okay? Depending how price reacted, we needed that close above this level, and we got that. All right. So it seems like Ethereum's lagging a little bit. If we can see why it rejected 2200 to the T. Okay. Actually, guys, that's another thing, that on the daily time frame, so it is kind of rejecting because of this little consolidation right here, right? It's kind of hesitating, and you got to see also, right, that you got this right here, okay? So you got these rejections right around this zone, all right? So if we go back, we could possibly see Ethereum hit right around these levels here, okay, before seeing a price reaction, okay? Before seeing price react. So, like I said, we need to see more candles get printed so we can get more information. Now, the reason I believed that it was going to continue pushing up was because we were in an ascending triangle, okay? This ascending triangle right here. Ascending triangle is somewhat of a signal that where especially if price broke out of it and held, it was going to continue pushing up, okay? There's descending triangles and there's ascending triangles. And price kept respecting this trend line that I have right here. So those were all confluences, confirmations that price more than likely was going to continue pushing up. And I and not financial advice, this is just my opinion, but I do firmly believe that Ethereum can still push up a little bit more. Okay, we could possibly see 2350. Remember, the market loves round psychological numbers. So if you notice, right? Let me go ahead and put this line right here so y'all can see. Okay, 2350. Okay, so if you notice, right around this area, right? Notice how price closed below that 2350 zone. What did price do here? Created support, kept rejecting 2300, 2350. Okay, price broke through that 2350 zone, tried to come up and break back up, could not do it, closed, tried it again, could not do it. Selling pressure was strong in this zone. You get a strong bearish candle, and then that's when price continue to push all the way down, right? So we could see price hit up 2300, 2350, around psychological numbers, right? Even numbers, pretty much, guys. Okay, 2350, 350. I mean, so we could possibly see Ethereum hit 2350, 2300, right around this area. It's probably not gonna be to the T before we see price reaction, right? So we will see more in the next couple days, y'all. All right, let's take a look at CoinMarketCap, see what we're sitting like. Guys, god dang, look at that. We are sitting at $1.48 trillion, a 1.53% increase over the last day. Okay, Bitcoin is up 6% for the week. Ethereum is up 5% for the week. All right, let's go ahead and go to my watch list. Halving. Okay, so Bitcoin halving. Now CoinMarketCap has put this on here. 142 days, 7 hours, and 50 minutes, guys. So this halving is expected to take place in April. All right, so almost around the same time it happens. I believe. Let's see previous Bitcoin halving. Is normally, I believe, right around the same time. It's not gonna be exact same months, but Bitcoin halving dates, right? So we had one in November 28, 2012. The second Bitcoin halving was in July. But if you notice, it's every 4 years. 2012, 2016, 2020. Now they're predicting it to be April 24, 24. Okay. It was May last year. So if we're really looking at this, right now, I'm just pointing this out, but it started off in November, then July, and then it dropped down out of May, and now they're predicting it to be in April, right? So every 4 years, it's starting to get less. So instead of happening, you get what I'm saying? The months are decreasing, okay? So that is the prediction they have for the next Bitcoin halving, right? So guys, history speaks for itself, man. The bull run is very close. I do believe that, y'all. Bitcoin 2024, man. That's why I hashtag that. Hashtag Bitcoin 2024. Okay. Let's see. First of all, let's see. Bitcoin, BNB 226, XRP 6 cents. Solana's up to $62. Cardano is up 38 cents to 38 cents. Dogecoin is 8 cents, almost getting to 9 cents. Is up 9% actually for the week. Let's see what else. We got Matic sitting at 6%, hitting 8 cents. Okay, and yeah, man. So we got Shiba. So this is not my watch list. What's going on? All right. So we got Volt sitting at rank 776 with a $1.2 million 24-hour volume. It's technically down 5%, 5.4% to be exact, for the week. Okay, we all know it's just pulling back. All right, y'all. But guys, if you notice, everything else is pushing. Okay, Chronos is down to 9 cents. So Chronos is actually up to 9 cents. That's pretty good. Anyways, y'all, that's all I have for y'all today, man. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. If you did, please smash that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. It was my princess's birthday. She turned 4 yesterday. Well, it was her birthday party. So smash the like button for that, if anything, y'all. So yeah, man. Till next time, maybe tomorrow, I'll post another video if I see that Volt has made its move. Either way, I will update y'all, man. Definitely want to see how Bitcoin is going to react in the $40,000 range. I want to see where Ethereum heads to next. Guys, this is exciting times. I believe crypto will make a lot of millionaires, multi-millionaires in the upcoming years for sure, man. Possibly even next year. So remember, dollar cost average. I'm a big firm believer on dollar cost averaging, DCA, man. Do your own research as well. All right, always want to do your own research. If you need a vote, check out Volt's official Twitter page, Volt Inu Official. Okay, there's tons of information. I got tons of content down below. Make sure you check it out, guys. All right, I'm going to leave it at that. Y'all have a good week, man. I hope everybody starts their week off right. So far, it's looking nice, right? In the crypto world. So, well, y'all, that's it, man. I'm blabbing too much. Peace.